Xero matches amounts on your bank statement to transactions you've entered, making bank rec easy. But what happens when there's a small difference between what you've paid or received and what's on the invoice? In this video, I'll show you how to make small adjustments so you can reconcile these transactions. Let's take a look. Here we've received $914.50 from our customer basket case. I can see it relates to an invoice, but Xero hasn't suggested a match, so I'll click Find and Match. Invoice 26 was actually for a slightly different amount. But because it's only a small difference, I'm happy to write this off. Select the invoice and scroll down. We can see the total is out by 5 cents. Click Adjustments, and then you have two options, bank fee or minor adjustment. Here I'll choose minor adjustment and enter the amount. The total of the invoice and the adjustment now matches what's on the bank statement, so click Reconcile. Xero posts minor adjustments to the rounding account that's on the balance sheet. You can clear this account periodically by posting a manual journal. If you prefer to post the adjustment directly to another account, general expenses for example, rather than rounding, choose bank fee instead. Enter the details and click Reconcile. To learn more about reconciling your bank account in Xero, check out some of my other videos. Thanks for watching.